tolerated today if the BJP, after the Delhi government's ban on construction and demolition activities in Delhi, if the construction workers and contractors along with the BJP were to be blocking all the roads of Delhi, refusing to move and say, participatory democracy, the people are on the road. Would you allow it? No, you wouldn't. You wouldn't. Why would you? You wouldn't. You'd say we have the vote. So listen, fact is, despite all of this, Reena, the government repealed the farm laws, okay? Some farmers have celebrated, fine. Farmers are being represented on the MSP panel, okay. Now, Abhishek wants to come every night to tell Gaurav Bhatia, I won, you lost, I won, you lost, I won, you lost. Okay, Abhishek, you won, Gaurav lost. Now what? Can we get on with it? Can we do some other things? Reena, tell him to grow up. Get on with it. He won. Gaurav lost. What do you want now? A first prize? A consolation prize? What do you want? What, Reena, would you allow it? Tell me, answer my question. All the roads of Delhi were to be blocked. Would you allow it? Tell me, would you allow it? Would you allow it? Would you allow it?
My full sympathies to all the people who had to come every night and, prove how farm laws were a masterstroke. And now they have to say how repeal of the farm laws is a masterstroke. So, I mean, my full sympathies for these people, how they have to keep going back and forth. Having said that, Arnab, there is a system and there is a procedure. So if you remember, the farm laws were not passed through proper procedures. They were passed through voice vote. Their own leaders. And
no, it was passed through an ordinance.
Because he was not in
it was passed through an ordinance.
But
it was passed through an ordinance. No, 1 second. It was passed through an ordinance.
That disrupting the parliament is in the favor of democracy. इन लोगों ने खुद बोला है. अब दूसरी बात ये, किसी को विश्वास नहीं है. इनके खुद के नेता बोल रहे हैं, कलराज मिश्र वगैरह सब बोल रहे हैं कि हमने वापस ले लिया, हम वापस ले आएंगे. So nobody trusts them. Nobody trusts them because we have seen how they behave. They behave in a high-handed manner. They behave in a manner कि मेरी लाठी मेरी भैंस, हम जो चाहेंगे वो करेंगे, चाहे वो पार्लियामेंट्री हो, चाहे वो ना हो, चाहे वो lawful हो, चाहे वो lawful ना हो. So that's why there is no trust. Farmers don't trust them. Farmers know that they were losing in Western UP, and that is the reason the farm laws have been repealed. It has nothing to do with anything else. The only reason is because they were losing in Western UP. 70 seats from Western UP. पंजाब में तो वैसे भी इनका कुछ होना नहीं है. सिर्फ उत्तर प्रदेश के चुनाव की वजह से इन्होंने वापस लिए farm laws. और फार्मर्स को इन पे विश्वास नहीं है क्योंकि
लिया है.
बोल रहे हैं कि हमारी जब मर्जी होगी वापस ले आएंगे. अभी हमारी मर्जी है तो हमने वापस ले लिए. So
no. 1 second. 1 minute. Can I ask you one thing? A very specific question to you, if I may, please. Gaurav, just wait a while. I want to get our friend from Pratik Som of the JJP and Karuna Gopal on the left to debate this point further with Mr. Swech of the Congress and Reena of the Aam Aadmi Party. See, Reena, please listen to me. You are being so unrealistic, so impractical. Let me explain to you. Sometimes things are done which should not be done because of political pressure and considerations. Can I have Reena, please, on the right? I'm speaking to her. Reena, sometimes things are done which should not be done because of political considerations. Let me give you one example. You go outside your house right now where you are in Delhi and try to breathe. You go outside your house and try to breathe, tomorrow morning you will end up with a, with your throat and lungs choked, right? Why? Because of stubble for burning by the farmers. One of the principal reasons. But because of the pressure of Tikat, the government has decriminalized stubble burning. In other words, the government has said, it's all right. If Reena Gupta and the people of Delhi cannot go out of their house, it's all right if children have their lungs choked. Allow me to complete. It's all right if we cannot breathe in the national capital region. It's all right, but Rakesh Tikait and the farmers' unions must be happy. I'm giving you a live and recent example of something which should not have been done, which has been done because of political considerations. Similarly, the government has lost because of political considerations and because of threats of national security. Now, what do you want, Reena? You want the government to hold its ears and say, we lost, you won. I mean, let's not be childish now. Let parliament function, Reena. You know I'm right. You know I'm right. Stubble burning has been criminalized, decriminalized. Right or wrong? Farmers' unions are being represented in the MSP panel. Debate with me. Right or wrong? Cases against farmers will be decided by the states. Right or wrong? You don't want citizen issues to be discussed. You don't want the electricity amendment bill to be discussed. You, Reena, do not want the cryptocurrency bill to be discussed. You don't want the data protection bill to be discussed. You don't want people's issues to be discussed. You don't want the energy conservation bill to be discussed. You don't want the trafficking of persons bill 2021 to be discussed. You want a repeat of the parliament, of the monsoon session. You want that. Say it. You want a repeat of the monsoon session. I rest my case. You debate now. Respond to me.
We want all of those things to be discussed.
Absolutely true.
We want all of those things to be discussed. We also want to discuss the fact that so many farmers have lost their lives. We want a timeline on MSP, a guarantee on MSP, and we want that Mr. Tenney should be sacked. How can you have a rogue person like that as a minister? Do we not have enough people in this country to become ministers? Do we want murderers to be ministers in our country? Is that what we want to show to the world? So we want all of these discussions to happen, Arnab. But the functioning of the parliament is
No. You want refer to who should be sacked?
The government needs to take the opposition also into
Who should
conference.
be sacked?
The government needs to also
Karuna
take
Gopal on the debate.
opposition into conference.
Karuna and Pratik Som responding. Karuna and Pratik Som. Karuna.
Arnab, I'm completely appalled listening to the argument put forth by Reena Gupta. She started by saying that you people come to debate saying that farm laws are path breaking, and she said that repeal of the farm laws also is path breaking. So I don't understand why she had to start the argument with absolutely no logic there. Now, but from what I understand today, the kind of confusion that the protesting farmers and the opposition parties that are supporting those farmers, I want to draw an analogy. These groups are actually the belligerent groups, and they have been outmaneuvered by the Prime Minister's unexpected maneuver. And let me explain this. The farmers and the opposition parties were the belligerent group that perhaps is practicing karate, kung fu, and kickboxing. But what did the Prime Minister do? He just changed his maneuver and moved into what we call as the Aikido. Aikido is nothing but a friendly banter. And he repealed the farm laws and that threw them out of gear. They're utterly confused. They're perhaps more confused than what they were before. And no wonder they stormed the well. No wonder they threw papers. No wonder they misbehaved there. And all of them congregated
You're saying, Karuna, 1 minute. You're saying, Karuna, okay. So you're saying today that Mr. Swech's party, the Vadra Congress, is outmaneuvered, outplayed, and doesn't know how to respond.